Hello, I am Indrajit Narayan Singh from YouTube, MSc Anthropology, LLB in Constitutional Expert. You all should know Places of Worship Act 1991 law. Supreme Court must decide on the 1991 law. A swirling dispute over the Kashi VISHWANATH temple, Gyan Bharti Masjid or MANDIR. Complex reaches the Supreme Court on Tuesday at a time when the tension are at a tripping point over recovery of SHIVALINGA as claimed by Hindu petitioners in ceremonial ablution tank of the mosque. Tension has been building for a year since a local court admitted the petition of 5 Hindu women who wanted the right to worship idols installed within the premises, raising a larger question around the 1991 Places of Worship Act, which froze the religious identity of any site of worship on the day of India's independence. It was further reached up after the local court orders a survey of premises in April opposed by the Muslim side and reiterated its decision weeks later. In the hearing of Tuesday, both the Supreme Court and 800 kilometers away in the Varanasi Civil Court, two things become clear. One, in case involving sensitive dispute, legal processes must be fair well for the weight of public opinion or emotion and strictly follow established procedure. The top court was right in underlining that no worshippers could be stopped from offering namaz on the premises as a consequence of the lower court order, which the Muslim side said was passed without hearing its argument. The Varanasi court also removed the person in charge of the survey for allegedly leaking detail of exercise. But the second and bigger takeaway is that the Supreme Court has to expeditiously decide on the mandate of the Places of Worship Act, which prima facie bars the kind petitioners that lower court in Varanasi and Mathura admitted and heard over the past year. The case of Muslim petitioners hinges on 1991 legislation meant to forestall attempt to follow the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid temple and lay claim in place of worship through the court. In 2019 Ayodhya judgment, the court held the law protects and secures the fundamental value of constitution by providing confidence in every religious community that their places of worship will be preserved. The top court must clarify if the continues to be its position, then communicate to all level of judiciary to decide by the decision. In newspaper previously noted that an erosion of the law mandate can open Pandora's box of religious strife, discontent and potentially violence. The top court took up challenge to the law in 2020 but has not heard it since. Two more petitions against it are also pending. The Gyan Bharti Masjid dispute is building up to the landmark case. The Hindu side believes the 1991 law carves out an exception especially for such structures. The Muslim side argued that any survey is a violation of law. At the heart of dispute is a short but crucial three-phase legislation. The court must take a call on it at the earliest. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for further any proceeding against Gyan Bharti Mandir.